An emphasis on quality, quick response, and personal service. All are easy to promise, but Power Plant Services delivers. Timing is very critical in the power generation industry. PPS employs a highly trained staff and operates 24/7 to adhere to the needs of their customers. PPS has grown to become a worldwide leader in parts and service for the power generation industry and beyond. With their own international distribution network, they have quickly grown and developed a reputation for quality engineering and parts production at a 30 to 50% savings. PPS has built its manufacturing level to well over 40,000 component parts at its facility in Melrose Park, Illinois. PPS is ready to respond to needs for steam, gas, hydro, nuclear, and wind turbines, including valves, pumps, fasteners, diaphragms, and blades at a moment's notice.
Our focus consisted of parts, repairs, open, clean and close turbines. Power Plant Services provides manufacturing and repair services as well as project management.
PPS has a warehouse stocked with millions of dollars in raw materials and a large inventory of parts. Our machine shop has the most efficient machinery and personnel on hand to manufacture standard and custom parts requests for customers.
We carry a lot of inventory of finished goods as well as raw material. None of the people in our industry that we know of carry so much inventory of finished goods and raw material. That sets us apart.
It is an inventory you can access and request quotes for online 24/7 for quick turnaround in a process proven effective. The PPS family boasts expert engineers in a wide array of disciplines, including reverse engineering, material testing, redesigns, upgrades, and much more, all focused on a system of quality control. Whether it is parts generation, concept completion, or quick delivery, PPS is ready to respond to your needs. A full-service, one-stop shop to keep your business moving forward. PPS, the turnkey solution.